Welcome to our latest video on the top growth stocks you should be keeping an eye on right now. Listen, we're talking about the companies that are absolutely crushing it in their industries, the ones with the potential to make you serious money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these picks could help you make informed decisions. We're diving deep into 7 game changers, folks. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill companies. These are the innovators, the disruptors, the ones who are changing the world as we know it. And trust me, you want to be along for the ride. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down each of these stocks, giving you the insights you need to make smart investment decisions. We'll be talking about their recent performance, their future potential, and why we think they're poised for explosive growth. So buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive right in. First up, we've got Amazon. Could it be any more obvious? This behemoth needs no introduction, folks. They're the undisputed kings of e-commerce, and their tentacles are everywhere. From online retail to cloud computing with AWS, they're dominating the game. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, Amazon's stock price is already sky high. Is there really any room left to grow? And to that I say absolutely. Look at their recent performance, record revenues, expanding profit margins, and a customer base that's more loyal than ever. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders. But here's the real kicker. Amazon's always innovating. They're constantly expanding into new markets like healthcare and grocery delivery. They just can't seem to sit still, and that's what makes them so exciting. Their forays into artificial intelligence with Alexa and their growing logistics network are just the tip of the iceberg. They're building a global infrastructure that's going to be tough for anyone to compete with. Listen, I've been watching Amazon for years, and I can tell you this company is just getting started. They're playing the long game, and they're playing to win. So if you're looking for a growth stock with massive potential, look no further than Amazon. Buy, buy, buy. Next up, we're talking Tesla, the electric car company that's taken the world by storm. Now I know there's been a lot of noise around Tesla lately, but let's cut through the hype and look at the fundamentals. This is a company that's at the forefront of a global revolution, folks. The electric vehicle market is exploding, and Tesla is leading the charge with their sleek designs and cutting-edge technology. And don't even get me started on Elon Musk. Now love him or hate him, you can't deny that the man's a visionary. He's got that it factor, that ability to see the future and make it a reality. And the future is electric, my friends. Governments around the world are pushing for cleaner energy solutions, and Tesla's perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. But it's not just about cars anymore. Tesla's also making waves in renewable energy with their solar panels and home batteries. They're creating a sustainable energy ecosystem that's going to change the way we live. Look, I get it. Tesla's stock has been on a wild ride lately, but that's what happens when you're disrupting an entire industry. But for the long-term investor, this is a once-in-a-generation opportunity. Tesla is more than just a car company. It's a tech company, an energy company, a company that's shaping the future. And if you're not already on board, you're missing out. Buy, buy, buy. Chapter 3. Apple. The tech titan still has some bite. Now let's talk about Apple, the tech giant that needs no introduction. They've been a Wall Street darling for years, and for good reason. Their products are iconic, their brand is synonymous with innovation, and their customer loyalty is unmatched. But here's the thing, Apple's not resting on its laurels. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with new iPhones, Macs, and wearables. And they're not afraid to shake things up. Just look at their recent foray into the services sector with Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Pay. They're creating a whole ecosystem that keeps customers coming back for more. And don't underestimate the power of their brand. Apple products are more than just gadgets, they're status symbols. People line up for days to get their hands on the latest iPhone. That kind of brand recognition is priceless. Now, some folks might say that Apple's lost its edge, that their innovation has slowed down, but I say, don't count them out just yet. They've got a massive cash hoard, a loyal customer base, and a team of brilliant engineers. They're still the most valuable company in the world for a reason. Apple's a long-term play, folks. They're not going anywhere, and their stock is a solid bet for any portfolio. So, if you're looking for a safe and steady investment with plenty of growth potential, Apple's the way to go. Buy, buy, buy. Chapter 4. Microsoft. This cloud king is raining profits. Alright, now let's talk about Microsoft, the software giant that's reinvented itself for the cloud era. They've gone from being the kings of PCs to the undisputed champions of cloud computing with Azure. And let me tell you, Azure is a goldmine. Businesses around the world are moving their operations to the cloud, and Microsoft is raking in the profits. But it's not just Azure. Microsoft's also killing it with their Office suite, their gaming division with Xbox, and their LinkedIn platform. They've got their fingers in so many pies it's hard to keep track. And here's the thing. Microsoft is a cash cow. They generate mountains of cash flow which they use to invest in new technologies, buy back stock and pay dividends. They're shareholder friendly and they know how to deliver value. Now I know what you're thinking. Microsoft's been around forever, Jim. Can they really keep up with the young guns? And to that I say absolutely. They've got a proven track record of adapting to change and innovating. They're not afraid to take risks, and they're always looking for the next big thing. Microsoft is a blue-chip stock with a growth stock mentality. They're the total package, folks. So if you're looking for a solid investment with a history of success and a bright future, Microsoft is a no-brainer. Buy, buy, buy. Chapter 5. Alphabet Google your way to big returns. Last but not least, we've got Alphabet, the parent company of Google, the undisputed king of the internet. Let's be honest, folks, Google's everywhere. They've got their hands in everything from search to advertising to self-driving cars, and their dominance in search is what drives their massive profits. Google's the go-to search engine for billions of people around the world, and that gives them an unparalleled platform for advertising. But Google's not just about search anymore. They're also making big bets on artificial intelligence, cloud computing with Google Cloud, and YouTube, the world's largest video platform. And let's not forget about Waymo, their self-driving car subsidiary. They're leading the pack in autonomous vehicle technology, and that's a market that's poised to explode in the coming years. Now some folks might say that Alphabet's become too big, too powerful. But I say that's just the nature of the beast. When you're at the top of your game, there's always going to be scrutiny. But here's the thing, Alphabet's got a knack for innovation. They're constantly coming up with new products and services that people love, and they're not afraid to experiment and take risks. Alphabet is a bet on the future of the internet, and that's a future I want to be a part of. So if you're looking for a growth stock with massive potential and a track record of innovation, Alphabet is the way to go. Buy, buy, buy. There you have it, folks. Those are our top 7 growth stocks to buy in 2025. Remember, these are just a few of our top picks. There are plenty of other great companies out there. Do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and most importantly, invest responsibly. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, diversify your portfolio, and be prepared for the long haul. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest investment opportunities. Happy investing.